We are doing a review on a mini camera, this little baby in this box. Yeah, I've already opened it because it came in a bag and I wasn't sure what was in there. So I opened it up. So nothing to see around the box, so not a proper unboxing. Well, it is an unboxing, but nothing to see. So what do we have? So it comes with a 32GB memory card, so you don't have to buy one, it already comes with one, so that's really nice. This little package costs around about £30 odd, and as always I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And don't forget, please subscribe, it's free, it doesn't cost any money whatsoever, it does help my channel to keep growing. So let's get on with it, shall we? Now I've got that bit out of the way. So this is the actual camera itself. Yeah, it is quite small. I mean, look at that. That is tiny, yeah? Yeah, quite small. Let's have a look around it. So you have on-off mode, and I'll take it they must light up. Your micro SD, so we'll be sticking that in there sooner or later. And a mains connection for mains. I don't know if it's got battery built in. I didn't actually look, so we will find out together in a bit. Well, it says power source, battery powered. Just read it on Amazon. So yeah, so that must be to charge it up. So I will have to charge it up. So that is it. Let's see what else you get in the box. Bits out of the way. So the instructions. Hopefully they're not too complicated. So multilingo. Definitely multilingo. So quick look. So it's like two languages, English and Chinese or Japanese or something like that. I do apologise that I don't know. I would have thought Chinese, but I could be wrong. Everything I buy seems to come from China, or most things anyway. So what do we have here? So we have something in a bag. Oh, it comes with two connections. So it's a short one, and I'm guessing that's for charging it up. Yeah, that's a nice lead actually. Good quality, feels pretty solid. So what's the other one doing? And looks like a longer lead, which is very unusual. Like I said, I haven't read the instructions yet, so I'll have a read of it and find out exactly what's going on. That's a different connection. It's weird. Huh. And that fits perfectly. Don't know. Get that one out of the way. That's a better connection, I think. Just a basic lead, but that's probably about, say, 700 meters. 700 meters? 700 millimeters. So get that out of the way. And what do we have here? What's this? Right, double-sided there, metal plate there. Right, so that's a magnet. So you can stick that somewhere and then just attach it like that. How's this work then? Oh, and that's a magnet as well. So if you want it on a little stand, double-sided again. And is that flexible? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Cool. Right. So as a little cover on it, I'm not going to take it off just yet. What I'm going to do now is have a reading instructions, charge her up, and put the memory card in and give her a little test. Well, I've read the instructions, but I did find them a little bit confusing, so I went on YouTube and I found a guy who shows you how to set it up, and it's quite good. I'm going to show you how to set it up as well, but I'll also stick that guy's link in the video description in case you want to watch his video. It's quite a good video and it's very helpful. So I'm just going to go through the process of what he's just shown me. So on-off button is the on-off button, and it says the mode button is the reset button for resetting it. So that's what they do, and you get two little lights down there, which I will go through in a bit. Micro SSD, I've already put that in, that's ready to go, and power. So you plug in your power. So I'm going to be using my power bank and using this connection here, and it should just turn it on. It does say in the instructions and on the YouTube that to start it up or to shut it down, it does take about 30 odd seconds. so it's not the quickest in the world. And when setting up for the first time, it can take at least 2 minutes before it makes a connection to the software. So you will have to be patient with it. So I have a blue light and a green light. Can you see that? Yeah. And that one is flashing, or it was. So I think that is ready for setting up. I'm going to hold the mode button down just to make sure. And it's flashing there, look, see? Flashing red. That is ready for setting up. Right, so what we need to do is connect that to your Wi-Fi. So go into Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, add it. There it is, that one there, MV435, that little baby there, saved. Obtaining, connecting, doing whatever it's doing, no internet, I know that. Mine will come up with a warning saying, oh, it's got no internet. Do you wish to stay connected? There you go. I'm going to say, do not ask me again. Yes, it will ask me again. So we're connected to that right now. So what you got to do now is you've got to download software, which I've already done, but I'm just going to quickly show you. There is a QR code that you can scan, but I found that not to be very good. So go to the Play Store and type in AV380. As you can see, I've already downloaded it and install that and set it all up. You will have to register and all that usual stuff, but I've already done that. Right, it's come up, AV Connect. So will that connect straight away? Oh, we'll try it. I don't think it will, but I could be wrong. So now you have to go back to your normal internet. So back to my normal one. I'm not going to show you a password connecting. I don't think that's going to work, you know, but I could be wrong. It's got 3 little ticks up there. Oh, it is, it is. Oh, it's worked. I found it straight away. Finish. I wasn't expecting that to work, to be honest with you. So that should work now. So if I press that, right, it wants me to set a password. I'm not going to show you what I'm setting the password to, because now we're admin. Got to set a password in now. Right, password is now set. Got to save it. Saved it. Right, that should be working now. So if I press that, oh right, I've got to do the password again. Hang on. Oh, there it goes. It's working. It's working. Straight away. Hello. Right, so camera goes that way. Right, is that the right colour? I think that is. Showing me wearing a blue shirt. There. Picture quality, I don't think it's going to be fantastic. Remember that. This bit of software can do up to four different cameras. Let's show another camera, but it can do up to 4. It is set for SD, so it should record straight to that. But if you want to record there, you can see that. If you want to record straight to your phone, if you press record, that will record straight to your phone. It should be recording now automatically because we set it to SD, but you might have to go into settings and to adjust. What's this do? Right, inversion. So it means you can turn it up the other way. So if you want that to be like that, yeah, or you can have it the other way around, like that. Entirely up to you. See? So it gives you two modes. Upside down or the right way up. Yeah? And there goes my doorbell. So that is working. It does have audio, apparently. I think press that. Yeah. Stop that because we're a little bit too close to it and it's getting feedback. It does have audio, so that is a good thing. I do understand that once it's fully charged, it will stay powered for about 2 hours, so not very long. But look at the size of the thing; it's tiny. Yeah, it's very small. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a little test. It should go on this little stand, all right. I'm going to do it that way up. That will fall over, so that will need to be stuck to something. There you go. Is that upside down? I think it is. Turn it over. There you go. So at the moment you can see one of my studio lights. I don't think it'd be very good at anything close up. Let me have a go. That's not too bad. Look a bit blurred, but then it's not designed to be at close distance, so it'd be a fixed lens or focus. But yeah, looks alright. We're gonna have a little walk about and we're gonna check the colours. And the best way to do it is on my fridge. So the black is supposed to be really black. Is that upside down? Hang on. Let's get it right. Hang on. That looks a bit purpley to me. Looking at that. And black again, so you've got black on white. That's black, that's black. What's the camera showing? Yeah, definitely that black is showing up purple. So the colours are not 100% accurate, but you want picture. It's just pure picture quality. It's a camera, isn't it? You're not really worried about how perfect or imperfect it is. As long as you can see, yeah, as long as you can see something that you need to keep an eye on. And yeah, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take it outside. As soon as I unlock the door. Don't know why I'm carrying the battery about. So we are outside now. It's a little bit fresh out here actually. Yeah, it's my garden. Just getting over winter. It is spring, but yeah, looking good. So I'm not sure how easy that was to set up because it just seemed to find it straight away. You might not have that luck, but like I said, I will give a link to the guy who's done a little video on it and he will show you, if you can't set it up, he will show you how to go through the whole setting on how to set up. It is quite good and yeah, I was impressed anyway. So yeah, first impressions, very good. Let me unplug it now from here, or from the actual camera itself. And let's just wander about. I'm going to keep the phone with me, and you can go full screen as well. See that? Now I'm going to leave the phone there actually. That is the right way up, isn't it? Yeah. Cool. Wander about and see if it loses signal. So I'm in my kitchen now. And it's dark in here. The other thing I don't know if it's got night mode on it. So I will try it later on today when it's dark and see if it has got dark mode. But so far, it's not bad, not bad. I'm pretty impressed. I wasn't sure how good this was going to be, but it looks okay. Like I said, it's not going to focus in properly if you get too close to something like that. But if you're looking at me, yeah, got a nice bit of colour on my skin now, ain't I? I think that's the camera again, but yeah, it seems to work fine. Like I say, I've got mute turned off for now, but it might be recording in the volume as well. I don't know, but yeah, looking at it, yeah, it works really well. It comes with a couple of options for mounting it. You can either mount it, what is that, like that, yeah, or you could just use this, stick this somewhere on a flat surface and that will just stick to it. Yeah, so like I said, it's supposed to last for about 2 hours. I don't know, I'm not going to test it for 2 hours because it hasn't been charged up fully properly yet anyway, and batteries like this normally need a couple of goes before they're fully charged. So yeah, there is a bit of lag in there, but you've got to expect that in this anyway. Most of these devices do give a bit of lag. But the other thing I just realised, I didn't have to change from or do away or close my 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I left that open, so I've got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi running at the same time, and yeah, it works straight away. So with that, I'll see what it's like at night time, and then I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching. But what I've been playing about this, there's a couple of things I want to go through with you because I thought you might find them useful. And one is the memory card. do not plug the memory card in while it is on. It clearly states that in the instructions. You should only put that in before it is turned on. So do not plug it in while it is already on. It may damage it. So that's the first thing. The second thing is with the memory card, you need to format it, and it's quite easy to do. So what you need to do is go back to settings up here, and then you want to go down to recording settings and scroll up. I've got it set to HD now. I did have it on SD, but I changed it to HD, and I've set it also to continuous recording, so it will just loop. Scroll up, and then it says format SD card. You need to do that. Give it a few seconds, it will clear it all out, start again. Bearing in mind, if you've got stuff on there already you don't want to lose, do not format it, but make sure you get that off first before you format. For this to work properly, it says you need to format the card first. So you need to do that, and then you're ready to go. And the next thing is, if you want to do a playback, say you've been recording on it and you think, well, how the hell do I get to see what I've recorded? So go back to the main menu, go back to the camera, start the camera back up on the software, that is. So up and running there, and it says replay. Click on replay. It comes up and says about a cloud. We're not doing a cloud, we're using the SD card. So click on that, give it a few seconds. It's not the fastest in the world, but it does work. Right, all the white bits means there's no recording on it, and all the pink bit, that's pink, because it's not picking it up on my camera properly, but the pink bit is recording. So if I scroll into there somewhere like that, it should play what I've recorded or what the camera's recorded. Again, it's not the fastest thing in the world. So now that is part of the recording. You can hear noise as well. And that's me playing about it. Right, I just wanted to give you a little demonstration of how I'm getting on with this little camera, and it did take me a bit of time to first set it up, and that's because I didn't read the instructions properly. They do state in there are certain points where you have to connect it, and it does take a couple of minutes, and I was a bit impatient, but I got there in the end. Second time round I got there, and I thought, oh, that was quite easy in the end. But yeah, be patient with it when you need to set it up for the first time. You know, I wasn't. But yeah, picture quality I thought was okay, as you can see. I'm actually recording it to my phone and to the SD card at the same time. So yeah, I just wanted to do both, see what it comes out like. Picture quality, like I said, is, you know, nice and clear for daytime. And the only downside with the daytime one is you're showing a picture of a purple shirt, and I've got a blue one on. So some of the colours don't come up right, especially on blacks. So if you look at this, that is black and it's shown as black, but that is also black and it's shown it as purple. So some of the colours don't quite come out right. But like I said, picture quality, daytime, I thought was nice and clear. The other thing that I found, which is a big minus for me, that's why I'm only going to give it a 4-star rating, is nighttime vision. I wasn't expecting it to be fantastic, you know, especially for the amount of money I paid. But nighttime vision I thought was pretty bad myself, and as you can see in my video, it does look pretty bad. So nighttime vision for me was not very good. But apart from that, it is pretty good. The only thing I can say in its favour is that the nighttime vision it was filming, was pitch black. But it's supposed to be night vision. So that was the only reason I've gave it a 4 out of 5, because I thought, yeah, nighttime vision is not very good. But daytime vision, I thought was nice and clear, as you can see on my phone, and as you can see from me. So with that, if you like this video, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help my channel to keep growing. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. It's free. Thank you very much for watching.